Today, we exploring the seamless integration of clean lines, natural elements, and sustainable practices, crafting spaces that whisper stories of serenity in sophistication. Hello, welcome to Breaking Sign, where we bring you the latest in architecture innovation. The step into a world where simplicity reigns supreme, as Breaking Sign unveils the art of modern minimalist architecture. Join us as we embark on a journey through clean lines, neutral palettes, and seamless integration with nature, crafting spaces that echo tranquility and elegance. Minimalism in modern architecture. Modern minimalist architecture is the embodiment of the less is more philosophy. It champions clean lines and simple geometric shapes, stripping away the superfluous to highlight the beauty of the bare essentials. The design ethos is one of uncluttered purity, where every element serves a purpose, contributing to an overall sense of openness and transparency. In the realm of contemporary design, minimalist architecture stands as a beacon of sophistication and serenity. This architectural style is characterized by its streamlined aesthetics and geometric precision, creating spaces that are both functional and visually tranquil. By focusing on the indispensable components of structure and space, minimalist architecture provides a canvas for life's daily rituals, unimpeded by unnecessary complexity. Minimalist architecture is not just about the visual aspect, it's a reflection of a lifestyle choice that values functionality and mindful living. The clean lines and simple forms are not merely aesthetic choices but are deliberate decisions to enhance the quality of life by fostering an environment free from chaos and clutter. Neutral color palette. A neutral color palette is a cornerstone of sophisticated interior and exterior design. It's not just about using whites, beiges, and grays, it's about creating a harmonious backdrop that allows the environment to shine. These hues are chosen for their ability to blend seamlessly with the setting, providing a canvas that elevates the natural beauty of the surroundings. In the art of home aesthetics, a neutral color palette acts as the silent hero. It's a deliberate choice that speaks volumes without saying a word. Inside and outside the home, shades like crisp white, warm beige, and elegant gray reign supreme. They don't compete for attention but rather, they complement and enhance. These colors are the unsung allies of design, setting the stage for a home that feels both grounded and ethereal. The use of neutral colors is a strategic design decision that goes beyond mere trend following. It's about creating a timeless space that adapts to changing styles and seasons. These colors are versatile, inviting, and calming, making them ideal for creating a serene and welcoming atmosphere. Organic elements in minimalist design. In the heart of minimalist architecture lies a profound connection with the natural world. This bond is forged through the thoughtful integration of organic materials like wood, stone, and glass into the very fabric of the design. These elements do more than just complement the minimalist aesthetic, they infuse spaces with warmth and texture, creating a seamless transition between the interior and the exterior. The incorporation of natural materials is a defining feature of contemporary minimalist design. Wood, with its rich grains and warm hues, brings a touch of organic elegance. Stone, in its robust and varied forms, adds a sense of enduring strength. Glass, clear and reflective, opens up spaces to the outside world, inviting the landscape in. Together, these materials work in harmony to dissolve the barriers between the built environment and nature, enhancing the minimalist ethos with their authentic presence. The use of natural materials is a strategic choice that aligns with the minimalist philosophy of simplicity and authenticity. These materials are not just decorative, they are symbolic of a lifestyle that values the integration of nature into our daily lives, promoting well-being and a sense of tranquility. Large windows and open spaces. The architectural trend of incorporating large windows and open spaces is a testament to the modern desire for a living space bathed in natural light and connected to the natural world. These design elements are not just aesthetic choices, they are integral to creating a home that feels expansive, airy, and in harmony with its environment. In the pursuit of creating luminous and liberating living environments, architects and designers are turning to large windows and open floor plans. Expansive glass walls not only maximize the infusion of natural light but also provide panoramic views that blur the line between the indoors and the outdoors. The result is a living space that breathes, a tranquil sanctuary that invites the beauty of the outside world into every moment of domestic life. Large windows and open spaces are more than just design features, they represent a philosophy of openness and transparency. They allow residents to experience the changing seasons and times of day in an intimate way, fostering a deep connection with the environment and enhancing mental well-being. Indoor-outdoor living. Modern minimalist house design transcends the traditional boundaries of indoor and outdoor living. It's an architectural approach that harmonizes interior spaces with the natural world, creating a fluid transition that extends the living area beyond the confines of walls. Outdoor spaces like patios, decks, and gardens are no longer mere appendages but integral parts of the living experience, fostering a lifestyle that is both expansive and intimately connected with nature. The ethos of modern minimalism embraces the concept of indoor-outdoor living, where the delineation between home and nature is artfully obscured. This design philosophy manifests in homes where patios, decks, and gardens become natural continuations of the interior space. The result is a living environment that celebrates openness, freedom, and a profound engagement with the surrounding landscape. Indoor-outdoor living is a reflection of a design philosophy that seeks to bring balance and harmony to our living spaces. It's about creating homes that are not just shelters but sanctuaries that engage with the environment in a meaningful way. Minimalist of nature landscaping is an art form that extends the clean, uncluttered ethos of modern architecture into the natural realm. It's about sculpting the land with clean lines and simple plantings that echo the architectural style of the home. The use of native plants and drought-resistant vegetation not only reflects an environmental consciousness but also ensures a landscape that is both sustainable and easy to maintain. The outdoor canvas of a home is transformed through minimalist landscaping, where simplicity reigns supreme. This approach is characterized by the strategic use of native flora and drought-tolerant species that require minimal water, reducing the ecological footprint while maintaining aesthetic elegance. The landscape becomes a reflection of the home's architecture, with plantings that enhance rather than overpower, creating a harmonious balance between man-made and natural beauty. Minimalist landscaping is not merely a design choice, it's a commitment to environmental stewardship and ease of care. By choosing plants that are well adapted to the local climate, homeowners can enjoy a beautiful outdoor space that aligns with eco-friendly practices and simplifies upkeep. The sustainable elegance. In the world of modern minimalist house design, sustainability is not just a feature, it's a fundamental principle. This design philosophy integrates energy-efficient features like passive solar design, high-performance insulation, and solar panels to minimize environmental impact and foster a lifestyle that is in harmony with the planet. The modern minimalist home is a testament to the balance between form and function, where sustainability is woven into the very essence of its design. Features such as passive solar design optimize the use of natural energy, while high-performance insulation ensures maximum efficiency in temperature regulation. The addition of solar panels represents a commitment to renewable energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering the carbon footprint of the home. Sustainability in minimalist design is about more than just reducing energy consumption. It's about creating a home that contributes positively to the environment. These eco-friendly features are carefully selected to work in concert, providing a comfortable living space that also respects the Earth's resources. The efficiency in aesthetics. Minimalist design is a harmonious blend of form and function, where aesthetics meet practicality. This design philosophy ensures that every element within the house serves a purpose, emphasizing efficiency and utility. Storage solutions are crafted to be an integral part of the design, allowing for a living space that is both beautiful and free of clutter. The minimalist home is a masterpiece of functional design, where every detail is meticulously crafted to serve a specific purpose. The principles of minimalism are applied with precision, ensuring that both the beauty and utility of the house are enhanced. Storage is not an afterthought but a key component, ingeniously integrated into the overall design to promote an environment that is organized and serene. Functional design in minimalism is about creating spaces that are not just visually appealing but also inherently practical. It's a thoughtful approach to living where every item has its place, and every space is optimized for use without sacrificing style. The symphony of spaces. The pinnacle of modern minimalist house design is its ability to achieve a symphonic balance with nature. This design philosophy isn't just about constructing a structure, it's about crafting a sanctuary that resonates with the beauty of its natural surroundings, offering a tranquil haven for those who dwell within. Modern minimalist architecture seeks not just to coexist with nature but to become one with it. The goal is a seamless integration, where the house is not an imposition on the landscape but a complement to it. It stands as a serene retreat that honors the splendor of the outdoors, providing a space where the boundaries between the built environment and the natural world are harmoniously blurred. This architectural approach is about more than aesthetics, it's about a deep respect for the environment and the well-being of the inhabitants. The design principles of minimalism, clarity, simplicity, and coherence, are applied to enhance the connection with nature, creating homes that are not only places to live but places to rejuvenate. A sanctuary of simplicity. Step into the realm of minimalist elegance with an exclusive tour of a home that epitomizes the essence of simplicity and serenity. This architectural marvel boasts sleek interiors and lush backyard gardens, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling world outside. Discover the ultimate minimalist home, a haven where clean lines and unadorned beauty reign. The interiors, a masterpiece of understated design, invite calm and clarity into every corner. Step outside, and you're greeted by the verdant splendor of meticulously curated backyard gardens. This home is not just a living space, it's a celebration of nature and minimalist design in perfect harmony. This minimalist home is designed to be a sanctuary, where the simplicity of the interiors provides a peaceful counterpoint to the vibrant life of the gardens. It's a place where the distractions of the outside world are left at the door, and the focus is on the purity of living in harmony with nature. Conclusion. In the symphony of design and nature, we've unraveled the beauty of modern minimalist architecture meeting the organic world. From clean lines to sustainable features, each element has contributed to creating spaces that harmonize with their surroundings, echoing tranquility and elegance. As you embark on your own design journey, may the lessons learned here inspire you to create sanctuaries that celebrate the beauty of nature while providing a peaceful retreat for the soul. Well, thanks for joining us today on Breaking Sign. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting architecture insights. Until next time, keep creative idea running.